In today's video, we are going to show you how to paper trade on Axiom. Before we begin, one thing to note is that Axiom doesn't currently include a built-in paper trading mode. You need to use a browser extension or a simulator that works alongside Axiom to simulate trades with a virtual sol. So one popular option is using the Axiom Paper Trade Chrome extension that lets you practice trading directly on Axiom using virtual sol, tracks your profit and losses, and even displays your paper trades on the chart. All I have to do is add the extension to your Google Chrome, and then the paper trading extension should automatically detect the token that you have and displays the trading panel. Since you're using virtual funds, there's no need to connect or fund or a wallet if you're using the extension's default paper balance, as you can see it from here. Paper trading lets you practice buying and selling tokens using virtual funds instead of risking real money. It's one of the best ways to learn Axiom's interface, test strategies, portfolio, and build confidence before trading with actual sol. Because many experienced traders also recommend paper trading for several weeks before committing real funds, especially when learning fast-moving meme coin markets. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to paper trade on Axiom. Paper trading is one of the safest ways to learn Axiom, even though the platform doesn't currently offer a native paper trading mode. A browser-based simulators makes it easy to practice with a virtual sol while using Axiom's real interface. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.